Hello there, welcome to Paterson Photography and First Choice Photo in Lethbridge, Alberta. My name is Mike Paterson. Welcome to the studio. On the weekend I had received a new microphone that I wanted to try out, so I put down one of my Canon 70Ds and I went in the backyard to do some video. When I took the video into the house to look at it, I noticed that I had some hot pixels on the camera. So what are hot pixels? Hot pixels are dots that glow on your sensor. They can be white, they can be red, they can be blue, I think they can even be other colors. But they stand out big time from the background, especially when it's dark. I took these videos, I put them on my computer, and when I was watching them I noticed that these hot pixels were in the same spot on all the videos. I did some research online and I found out what could be a solution for that, so I thought I would share it with you. Now, first let me tell you, I did not know that this existed. I did not know that you could do this. So I'm not 100% positive that it actually did do any real solution other than it did temporarily stop the hot pixels. So what was it? Well, before I get into that, I want to give you a word of warning. If you ever hear of anything to prevent your camera or to stop your camera or to fix your camera that doesn't seem normal, please don't do it. So what do I mean by that? Well, if somebody is going to recommend to you to take your camera and submerge it in water, that would be a bad thing to do. If somebody recommends hitting it with a hammer, that would be a bad thing to do. But if you're going to do something to the camera that is already a part of the features of that camera, then go ahead and give it a try. And this was exactly that. What it suggested that you do is you set your camera into the sensor cleaning mode and manually clean the sensor. That was all it was. So here's what they did. First, took the lens off the camera and then put the body lens cap on the camera. Then turn on your camera, go into your menu and find sensor cleaning. Then page down to where it says clean manually and enter into that. Then turn it on. That's all there is to it. Now what you do is you leave your camera sit between 5 and 10 seconds. I did some research and some people said 5 seconds and some people said 10 seconds, so between 5 and 10 seconds. I think I did it myself for 10 seconds. Let the camera sit, then you turn the camera off to exit that mode. Then you go ahead and you put your lens back on your camera and you do whatever it was that was showing off those hot pixels. Hot pixels will only show if you're doing nighttime photography or if you're doing something where there's a dark background. I went outside, I did some more video, and sure enough, the hot pixels were gone. Now, do I think it's 100% fixed? I have no idea. Do I think it was worth trying because it really didn't cost me anything other than a few minutes of my time? Yep. I did a lot of research afterwards and I found a lot of people saying it had fixed their cameras, from Canons to Nikons, anyone that had a manual cleaning setting on the camera, that it actually worked. So if you do have hot pixels and you do want to fix it, I would suggest giving this a try. I did some tests since and I still can't see the hot pixels, so to me it appears it's been fixed, but it may just been something as simple as it releases some of the static that's in the camera or something like that, as opposed to the camera actually doing something that is a permanent fix. So if you want to try it, go ahead and give it a try. It only takes a minute of your time. Then get out there and take some pictures. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and go out and take pictures.